Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at the Betta Neo. This is a solar-powered 24/7 continuous pool skimmer. Now we're going to give you the pros, the cons, and help you decide if this is the right product for you. So let's go ahead and check it out, and we're going to kick it off right now. So first, folks, let me give you a few details. This again is a 24/7 continuous cleaning device with dual charging options, twin salt chlorine tolerant motors, and of course it is perfect with that shallow water safeguard. Automatically skims the surface of your pool. It's powered by solar energy and advanced aqua dynamics designed for over 30 hours of continuous operation. So it doesn't matter if you're using a small pool or a large pool, this is cleaning the entire surface. It even works on rainy or cloudy days with the backup adapter charging. This is perfect for your pool and for your lifestyle. It also has a quick recharge time of 5 to 6 hours under direct sunlight during cleaning, or just 3.5 hours using the adapter to minimize downtime. That means your pool stays cleaner. It's innovative. It has a shallow safeguard protection designed to make sure it doesn't get stuck on things like pool stairs, and you don't have to worry about it in those shallow pools at all. It has completely reliable performance. It's equipped with patented twin salt chlorine tolerant SCT motors and a large fine mesh debris filter, which will efficiently not just get rid of leaves, but dust and pollen. And this will also help clean the water quality by getting rid of that debris before it starts to break down and muck up your pool. It includes smart pool surface auto cleaning, a wireless remote control, and it easily adjusts with ultrasonic radar, obstacle detection, and a UV resistant coating, keeping your pool clean at all times. Now, I personally love the fact that this is doing the work for me. It is in the back running absolutely quietly. No loud noises compared to some other pool robots, using the power of the sun, being environmental, and that UV protection means that you don't have to worry about it breaking down here in the hot Florida sun. I can sit back and enjoy the sun, and it's using the sun to do all the work for me. Now, a lot of my friends are starting to enjoy salt water pools here in Florida, and what this does is it's able to tolerate chlorine and salt, unlike products we've seen before. This isn't going to break down, the motors aren't going to wear out. It is truly a phenomenal and revolutionary device. Now, personally, I like the fact that this works much quicker than I expected. We're able to clean our entire large pool in a matter of minutes, or our swim spa very quickly and efficiently. That makes me happy. It's keeping everything clean. And like I said before, by not letting leaves and debris break down on the surface, it's not getting into the deep water, which is saving your filters, which means you don't have to replace out those pricey filters nearly as often, keeping your water from being cloudy, murky, getting green, and looking gross. Now, folks, I have cats, and the fact that this was able to get the cat hair out of the water makes it worth its weight in gold as well. It's able to get fine particles with that fine mesh filter, so they've done a great job there as well. And the overall quality is fantastic, and the fact that it's a rinseable filter matters to me. Now, with the Betta Gateway, you can control it remotely. Let's talk about what that means. That means I can literally be sitting anywhere in the world and I can control my device. That is huge for me. This last week, we were in Cancun using our new cameras to record for a company. But I wanted to get back and make sure both our pool and our spa were up to snuff. And this made it work perfect. I was able to be remote, make sure my pool was nice and clean, and then when I get home, I don't have to worry about it. And yes, folks, you can control your clean from anywhere, manage your pool cleaning around the world, backed by an ultra-long 600-foot gateway and dual band 5 gig and 2.4 gig stability. Large properties are covered no matter where you are. You can adjust the cleaning modes, auto, smart, or scheduled. Simply tap on the device for real-time changes in performance. And folks, I do want to mention one new feature, weather adaptive and scheduled, fully automatic cleaning. This intelligently adjusts its cleaning based on upcoming weather conditions or follows through your custom schedule, giving you complete and total peace of mind. So let's go ahead and open it up. And just in the time it took me to say that, it cleaned this debris out. And all we have to do is take a hose, rinse it out. That means we don't have to replace expensive filters. How cool is that? So easy. All right, folks, so the bottom line is that this is a very impressive device. It allows you to spend more time doing the things that you want to do. You're not tied to your pool, cleaning it all the time, skimming it, replacing filters, calling a pool guy, and spending your hard-earned cash. With that being said, we highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. My name is Adam. We have the opportunity to show you the best products in the land with no clickbait and actual use demonstrations. And this one's an absolute winner. Thanks for joining us. I love you guys. But it's time to get to shopping. Adios, amigos.